Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to find the login page of your WordPress website in cPanel. I am also revising you what we have done before. In previous videos we have learned how to purchase a good domain name, how to purchase a hosting plan, and how to connect your domain name with your hosting plan, and then we have learned how to install WordPress in cPanel on your domain name, right? And now we are learning how to find the login page URL of your WordPress website in cPanel. As you can see, I'm into the cPanel, and here there are web apps showing that you have installed, right? And here we have installed few WordPress application on different domain names, so we just need to click on view more, and here you will find your website. So this is our website, right? And here there is a login button, right? And when we click on this, also here is a login button, right? And when we click on login, then automatically the WordPress website login page opens, right? Okay, this opened, right? And this is your login URL, right? You need to use this URL to log in into your WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.